How to fix a stuck window boot screen. Press the computer power button and hold down shift key as your computer start up. Then click troubleshoot. Then click advanced option. Click startup repair. Choose your account. Enter your password. Then scan your PC. Then type command prompt chkdsk. Hit enter. Then type sfc / scan now. Hit enter. Then type next prompt GPU update. Then press enter. Next prompt boot rack / fix mbr. Hit enter. Then next prompt boot rack / fix boot. Press enter. Then next prompt exit. Then press enter. Choose an option continue. Then your problem resolved.